Here we come to the elevators at the College of Hotel and Restaurant Management building at University of Houston, Texas. These got PTL fixtures. PTL as in praise the Lord. If anyone who is a Christian, this is for you. Although it's got a slap-on mod, but got your original GAL lantern and indicator up there. Lower garage. I'm gonna try to hear the motor. I don't think that lantern works. So that leads to the parking garage. 2. I don't know what brand this is. I think this is an ESCO with a slap-on PTL mod, I think. I don't know if this elevator was an ESCO or something. So, if I don't know the brand of the elevator, I do apologize for not putting an intro like I usually do. Set this down, look at the other elevator car. All right, let's call the other one. Hopefully this one works. Okay, I think I hear it. Yeah, I actually hear it. Oh, this one's got a working lantern. It's still got a fan as well. This is just a similar elevator cab like the other one that I filmed. PTL fixtures. According to Andrew, PTL stands for Praise the Lord. PTL is a Christian elevator company. All right, let's see if we can try to hear the motor on this one. Door close and push the button. I love that. That was a quick leveling. All right, let's see if the down lantern works. It does, but it does not chime. Judging by the sound of the door operator, I think this might be an ESCO. I don't know. I don't know if this elevator is an ESCO because these clearly used to have GAL fixtures. I mean, I saw a freight elevator with the GAL door control. See if the bell works. Nope, I don't think the up lantern. Oh, it does. Oh, the up lantern works on that one. Let's see if I can try to light up the indicator. We're not taking another ride. I just want to catch the lantern lighting up. Got it. All right, we'll watch it close. There it goes. And that will be it.